first gonna be starting off with a clean face right now. There's nothing on my face. I always like to moisturize before I put makeup on, and I'm gonna be starting with my Clinique moisturizer. I usually like to do this before I moisturize. With my Mario Badescu spray, and then let it dry. So I'm gonna be going in with my L'Oreal Glow lotion, and I just like to put this where I highlight, so like right here, my nose, and then my chin, just for like an extra glow. So now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be doing it with the Anastasia Dip Brow. I usually like to go in with. I just brush them up first and then fill in any sparse places I have in my eyebrow.
Yeah, there's heaven. There's a bull and a matador dueling in the sky. In hell, there's heaven.
I'm going to be taking my Shape Tape in the color Light Neutral with just a Morphe flat brush, and I'm just going to be using this to outline my eyebrows to make them nice and sharp and clean. Eyebrows are done, and now I'm just going to be going into my eyes. I'm just taking the Shape Tape again, and I'm just going to be putting it on my eyes. And then I'm just going to be taking my handy dandy Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just going to be taking a tapered brush, and I'm just going to set my eyes.
It's hell on earth and the city's on fire.
So I'm not going to be doing any really any eyeshadow. I'm just going to do a little bit in my crease, and I'm going to be taking the Hoola bronzer, and I'm sure a lot of people do this, and I'm just going to put it in my crease. And I'm just going to be taking a Morphe fluffy brush, I guess. So now I'm going to move on to my face. I'm just going to be going in with my Maybelline BB cream. And then I'm just going to buff it out with this brush. going with my Shape Tape once again, and I'll just conceal. Just put a little bit here, here, and then anywhere else I need it. And then I'll just take my beauty blender. Once that's done, I will just go in with my Laura Mercier again, and I'm just going to set my whole face. And then I'll just take a fluffier brush and then just kind of brush over my whole face. So next I either put on fake eyelashes or I just curl my eyelashes and put mascara on. But today I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put mascara on. So now once I curled my eyelashes, I'm going in with my mascara. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational. It is my favorite mascara, and I like the waterproof one because it just keeps my eyelashes nice and curled all day.
In hell there's heaven. There's a bull and a matador dueling in the sky. In hell there's heaven.
Lastly, I'm going to be putting on highlighter, and my favorite highlighter right now is the Becca highlighter. I'm just going to be taking this Morphe brush, and then I'll be taking my setting spray. I'll take a more defined brush. And then I'll either go in with some chapstick or some lip gloss. And it all depends what I'm feeling. But today I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Is my favorite lip gloss. And now for the very last and most important step, I'm going to be taking my Mario Badescu spray one more time, and I'm just going to spray my whole face to set it. And let that dry.